The Ukrainian man was left dangling from the outside of his lorry after the crash ripped a large chunk out of it. He looked around as if he couldn't believe he was alive. This video not only shows the horrific accident of this timber truck, but also shows more footage of this truck cornering with the unstable timber before the accident. If only someone had noticed this before and warned the truck driver, this could have been avoided. Tractor flips over during the police chase on the highway. Hey, you know, tractors aren't built for high-speed chases.
Может, просто выиграть?
Why did the truck driver decide to crash into the truck in front? He could have changed lanes to the left to avoid the devastating accident. The cabin of one of the trucks caught fire after a very violent accident. The two drivers were a father and son traveling in a convoy. The 23-year-old son was burned, and the wonderful father was trying to save his son from the fire. The moment a car gets stuck under a semi-truck at an Illinois highway, a person waves out of the window of the stuck car before the driver in the car honks at the semi-truck driver to stop. A couple in China experienced the terrifying moment their car was completely crushed by a cement tanker. They miraculously survived after being treated in hospital. The driver will be in prison for a long time. His assets will be sold and he'll have to pay compensation. In prison, he'll have time to think about how to drive in the city. As someone who's witnessed many vehicles going out of control, I can confirm that it was definitely an out-of-control pickup truck. This is probably the most rare sight you'll see when a pickup truck driver goes hunting in the city. It's crazy. do you think is wrong in this situation? Comment 1 if it's the high-speed G63, or 2 if it's the car in the wrong lane. Seriously, some people should have their driving licenses revoked permanently. Luckily, no fatal accidents happened. A semi-truck lost control on the road and crashed into a Ford pickup truck, causing a major accident. The driver and passenger walked with only a scratch.
Ёперный балет. Пила. Отсюда, да, папа.
Although the car in front had his hazard lights on, the truck driver was distracted and almost crashed into the car in front before he started to react. Hi, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button and subscribe. And of course, if you have any comments, you know where to leave them.